So if your NBA 2K mobile app is not working, this is what you have to do. First of all, head straight to your phone menu. Then after that, scroll a little bit and try to search for your NBA 2K mobile app. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. This is going to pop up. When this pop up, what you have to do is to tap on the app info. And when you tap on app info, you're going to be in the app info of NBA 2K mobile app. So tap on notifications and make sure the show notifications are all turned on like this. Check it below and make sure every notification is turned on. After that, go back and tap on storage and cache and make sure you clear the cache and also the storage. Then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure this background is turned on, the background data. So after doing this, tap on the first stop, then tap on OK. Now go to your Google Play Store and try to update the NBA 2K mobile app. So when you see update in the play section of NBA 2K mobile app on Play Store or on the App Store, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, it's going to reinstall on the device and you are going to get the latest version of it. So after doing this, lastly, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see power off and restart. On other device, you're going to see power off, airplane mode, and reboot. So it's all the same, just reboot or restart your device. Just push it down below. Something you're going to tap OK. So all is the same. Just do it like this and you leave your hand and it's going to restart. And after restarting, everything is going to work perfect. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.